Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to change and check the PHP version of a domain on DirectAdmin server. Steps to change PHP version for DirectAdmin server without Cloud Linux. Log in to DirectAdmin panel. In the top right corner, select the domain for which the PHP version needs to be changed. In the right sidebar, you will get to see the PHP version installed on the domain along with other basic details for that account. Here, click on Change. Select the PHP version that you want to install from the drop-down menu and click on Save. You will get a success message once the PHP version is saved. In this way, you can change the PHP version for your domain from DirectAdmin server without Cloud Linux. Steps to change PHP version for DirectAdmin server with Cloud Linux. Log in to DirectAdmin panel. In the top right corner, select the domain for which the PHP version needs to be changed. Go to the Extra Features section and click on Select PHP version. It will redirect you to the page of Select PHP version, where you can select the PHP version you want to install from the drop-down menu to change the PHP version. Then, click on Set as Current to set the selected PHP version. Steps to check the PHP version for your website. Log in to DirectAdmin panel. First, create a file with any name in the home directory of the domain. For this, go to System Info and Files and click on File Manager. Here, click on public_HTML folder in the left sidebar. Go to New, select text file and click on PHP. Enter the name of the file and click on Create. For example, we are creating phpinfo.php file. In that, phpinfo is our file name. You will get a success message once the file is created. Right-click on the file and click on Edit. Then, add this code in phpinfo.php file and click on Save. You will get a success message once the code is saved. Then, browse this URL for testing the current PHP version. You will see the PHP info web page with all the PHP variables and settings. In our case, this is our domain name. You need to replace it with your domain name. Also, the file name of our PHP is phpinfo. In your case, it could be as per your preference. In this way, you can change and check the PHP version of a domain on DirectAdmin server. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.